Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the H13 Smartwatch, and on this video we are going to explore the preloaded watch faces, as well as we will have a sample download of additional watch faces from the support app and the custom wallpaper. So if you are interested to see the list of watch faces for our H13 smartwatch, or you just want to know on how to download additional watch faces or custom wallpaper, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the preloaded watch faces of the H13 smartwatch. So let's see. So this is rotary. Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have at least 6 watch faces available for our smartwatch. It is a combination of digital and analog watch faces. To be able to download additional watch faces, you have to go to the support app. So we have here the Laxasfit app. Go to dial section. Hopefully we'll have a very good list of watch faces. Let's see. Then select dial mall. And we have here 2 categories: recommend and new product listing. So let's explore. So most of the watch faces here are free. So I'm going to swipe till we reach the end of the list. If not, at least we have seen a lot of, or we have seen some of the list of watch faces. I guess that's it. Again, so we have here, let's take a look at the list of watch faces again. It's a combination of analog and digital watch faces, and that's it. Okay, I think it's around 50 or something. So these are the new product listing. Some of the watch faces here is also in the recommend section. Okay, and that's it. So let's have a sample download. Let's download. Let's see. Let's look for a unique looking watch face. I guess this one. Let's pick this. Then select redeem now, use immediately, and let's see. Hopefully our smartwatch here switch to download mode, and as you can see here, let's wait, and we have here our downloaded watch faces or watch face. Let's have another one, and let's see if it can store more than one watch face. Let's have this Christmas theme watch faces or watch face. Let's wait. Remember, we only have 6, and we already downloaded at least 2. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you can only download 1 watch face at a time. Okay, our previous watch face has been overwritten, so it can only store 1 watch face. How about, let's see if we can download additional watch face via custom wallpaper. So let's select. Okay, then let's pick this one. Done. Check. drag the time, check. Okay, then save and use. So now pushing, and we have here our custom wallpaper or custom watch faces. Again, let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the downloaded watch faces. 7, 8. As you can see here, you can download one from the dial mall and one from the custom wallpaper. So that's it for our demo for the watch face section or watch face feature of the H13 smartwatch, including the custom wallpaper or custom dial. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.